Yeah.
Okay, so good evening, all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us for this, the series which we are conducting. Um, so, as part of this series, it is my pleasure to introduce today's speaker for the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Innovation Talk series, Dr. B. Girirajan. Dr. Girirajan is the Dean of Innovation and Startup at SR University, Warangal, with over 22 years of experience in teaching and research. He is an expert in artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and cybersecurity. He's also certified in design thinking and innovation and has worked on many impactful projects, earning recognition for his contribution to society. Dr. Girirajan has published research in top journals, holding multiple patents, and has also delivered numerous talk on innovation and technology. This is actually his second talk on our platform, and his work mostly focus on using AI and technology to solve real world problems and improve lives. Today, he will speak on the role of artificial intelligence in driving innovation. So, his talk will show us how AI can transfer industries and inspire new ideas. So, let's give a warm welcome to Dr. B. Girirajan as we look forward to learning from his experience. Over to you, sir. Hello. Can you hear me? Okay, I think he got disconnected. So, yeah. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello.
Uh, yes, sir. Thank you for introduction. I'm little bit having some network connection. I will be solving it.
Yeah,
So
yeah, no
thank
problem.
yeah, thank you for introduction.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm working on the slide.
Yeah, are you trying to share the slides? Or is there an issue with the sharing?
I have it in the Google Drive and it's opening for that.
Okay, okay.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, yes. So it was available in the Drive, as well as Google Slide and everything. And this platform is asking for to be connected to Drive. Yes. So sorry for the delay, and as well as I had the network issue. So the role of the artificial intelligence in driving the innovation, that is the title given to me. I'm Dr. B. Girirajan from ISR University, Varangal. So here, even this challenges that I could solve it now is due to that AI that I have solved it. So I'm new to this StreamYard platform. I used many other platforms, and I was using it. How can I use AI for searching this platform and upload the PPTs and other things? So the AI is the trending name here, and the technology drives any stream in the field of education, healthcare, machineries, and production, and day-to-day life. Everywhere the AI is utilized, and so here are some of the tips that I have experienced in the education field to guide the students, as well as to connect the students to the real-time problem, and how to solve some of the community-based problems, and connect the problems to the students to solve those issues. So that was the uh, uh, point that I have considered for discussion here. So in this session, I will be talking about the problem statement. What are the problem statements that AI could solve? What are the areas that the AI could solve? And how can we utilize AI? And from the as a beginner, as a expert, how can we use AI? And some more additional points that we can discuss at this point. It's based on the students that AI can be utilized for students for implementing that in the projects. That the students can be from any stream. They can be having some session interesting points here to be discussed. And the next slide is seen here. Could I confirm that the next slide is related to some picture having some community? Uh,
Yes, sir, yes.
yes, yes, yeah. So now the AI, how the AI is going to be solving the problems to the community in the real time. So we can make AI into three streams. One is industry based, another one is directly driven to the community, and in between industry point and the community point, indirect use of the AI in for the people. So these three categories you can make it out. So in the industry point, they have good technology. They are a techie persons team available in the industry, and they work for the automation in the industries, and that will be going very well. And with the awareness of usage of the AI, the production area and industry sector, that will be different, and how they are going to utilize this, that will be different. And that is coming up, and it's growing well. And when you take the intermediate part, where there will be some uh, projects which will be helpful to the public, where the industry person will be involving to that, and they will facilitate the public through deployment of the AI technology in the public forum, towards the public forum. That will be one point. Another point is how the community directly utilize with some applications in the AI. So in this way, we can make it as 3 points. So how can AI be directly used for the community? If I take the example here, you can see the in the picture. In the bottom line, you can see the person who is hitting the metal and crafting the metal craft work, and so they have some task to do and earn the money with their discipline. So they deal with the mechanical work, and they deal with some manual work involved in that, and the machineries are to mold the metal equipments that their instrument they are making, or some items products they are making it with the manual work directly. So how the AI can be utilized there. And in the bottom, another woman is knitting some bamboo stick for making the baskets and other thing. So how the AI can be utilized there. And even in developing countries and poor countries, there are a typical lack of facilities that they need to cut the trees and utilize natural resources for food preparation in their day-to-day life. And so those are all some of the problems that it's there in the society, prevailing always. So what can this AI do for these people? That is the question here. And so that let the development in their side, improvement of the lives of the people who are using the manual work more, and it is not replaceable by AI. That is one big challenge that we have to think about. And how can we develop, make some technical solution for those people. So that is one question. Second point is the implementation of AI to the rural background and other underdeveloped area. So how can we implement the technology to these people? So that is one question. So other than that, everything is fine in AI. And it's always good to know that in one of the many way the AI is having revolutionary change in the society. For example, the transportation, you can take railway stations and metro stations, and how it is monitored, how the ticket booking and the maintenance of the time, and uh, how the passengers are using the metro trains and railway system networking, everything, how they are using very comfortably with the use of the technology. That will be that is really coming up in a better way in all the aspects, not only in very one particular sector. In all the aspects, this AI is having a very good revolution. So so we can try to understand what is the role of AI, how in which area that we can be utilizing this AI in our field that we are really working on that. So the students of different categories may be there, and then there will be their own discipline or some interdisciplinary added to that problem they are dealing with. So in these cases, how AI can be used, that can be the interesting thing that you can take in this session. So uh, what are the subfields of AI? How can we get into the analysis of AI here? We can see the core part is the data science, which deals with number of data sets, huge files, and it is saved in the comfortable way that it can be stored multiple in a small memory size. The data can be stored with enough information. So so data science will be the core part. And the next we can have the circle of AI with machine learning and deep learning in the first image in the bottom. You can see what are the core part of AI. So AI is a very big point that can be taken for uh, as a course for 6 months and one year, like that. So within a short period of time, how can we make the understanding of the AI, and how to utilize AI, and how to find the application that AI can be empowering it. So these points we can discuss now. So AI has machine learning, deep learning, and that is dealing with the data science. Machine learning is having some algorithms and methods to solve basic problems like prediction, linearization, categorization, and trial and error of solving some problems. And natural language processing deals with language and emotional learning, and some feedbacks and other applications. Computer vision and robotics are dealing with the replacement of the human in some applications, that where the human can be assisting some part, that can be this robotics and computer visions can be doing it. So these are all the sub fields of the AI, and uh, applications that the AI can be utilizing it. So in depth, the applications of AI has a good uh, we can tell that AI can be used in healthcare, finance, customer service, education, manufacturing, transportation, and communication. So these are all some of the common thing that everybody knows, and we can use AI for improvement of the existing system to make it very fast and comfortable way, and very good visualization and everything. So in that way, AI can be used. So, what is the future of AI? The future of AI holds a potential for advancement in various areas, including healthcare, education, and cybersecurity. With the continued research and development, will lead to more sophisticated AI system. It is important to balance benefits of AI with ethical and societal consideration. So, as I told in the first slide, how can it be connected with the community who are really working with manual operation? And in depth, if we see some applications of AI, AI is finding good applications in marketing. It has revolutionized the way business and many good approaching in the market, and it can analyze the data, it can predict the customer behavior. AI can help companies create more effective marketing. Companies, AI can help business personalize their marketing efforts, leading to their engagement and conversation rate. So if you take a survey, if you want to look into the amenities of one particular area, I want to buy one plot in one particular area. What are the amenities in that area? In what way you will search means, you'll either go to that particular area and find the amenities and nearby facilities and everything. You can search. And the second option is we can search in the internet with some vague informations that it may be giving in the internet, and it may not be sure that very particularly when we focus into the deep point, it may not be having some information. So AI plays the role here, that the data taken in particular area about that area to buy some plot or house in that particular area. The analysis can be done from the uh, from the construction people. uh, if they want to construct the houses, they can take the data, analyze the data very easily, use with the help of AI. So it connects to the map, and it immediately gives the information, and they can get the informations, and they can analyze it easily. So this is one example that with the help of this Power BI, we can take this information and make some analysis, and we can decide it properly to buy the plot, or to buy the land in particular area to construct the houses. And in the same way, from the user side also, they can get enough information with the help of the AI, that very deep they can get the information about the particular area. So in the marketing, it is showing a good way that Power BI can be used for analysis with the help of map. So in education part, uh, how the AI is has transformed here means, so we can the students can get various solution for their preparation. So when they search in the internet, they get some resources, and when they use AI based search, they have very specific answer they want, and in a very professional way they are getting it. It's like ChatGPT. So AI plays the role here to get enough materials from the student side as well as from the faculty side, teachers side. AI can be used for preparing the presentations and for making some good format and other facilities that AI can do. And there will be students database management and monitoring of the students attendance and other monitoring parameters. The AI can be utilized. So in education, uh, it is done in many institutions that for the student database management as well as the students utilize AI for their preparation. So in the healthcare, how can we utilize AI? There are many research happening in many higher educational institutions to predict the diseases, predict and in the early stage also, particularly to avoid complexity of the disease. So many algorithms, AI algorithms are used, and we have to search for the algorithms, appropriate algorithms. So when we are dealing with some solution, when you're finding out uh, dealing with some problem to find some solution, and selection of the algorithm, which algorithm, which method we have to use. So there will be proper there should be some expertise in that search of the algorithms that can be connected to the problem. So that comes with the basic understanding of different algorithms methods in AI to solve the particular problem in uh, in any field, particularly in medical field. It should be very uh, there. The more accuracy is the, it's a very big challenge there. So AI algorithms are used to analyze medical images, assisting in the early detection of the diseases such as cancer. And the treatment plans, AI can analyze the patient's data to create personalized treatment plans, improving healthcare outcomes. In the health monitoring, AI powered devices can monitor patients' health conditions and alert healthcare professionals when intervention is necessary. So, in overall, AI is good for data visualization, data analysis, uh, and primarily it can be used for disease prediction. So now the AI in the customer service. So every time when we use any e-com website, we can find a lot of developments. It's continuously refined and they are updating it for the customer satisfaction. Still, there are many things that AI can do. So there are a lot of works the AI can do. However, every day when we utilize the e-com website like Amazon, Zomato, and Flipkart, other Paytm payment UPIs, every time when we use, every day there will be some updations in the apps and websites that we can see. And so those updations are all related to the customer feedback, the reviews, and the emotional learning from the customers. So uh, it is the customer, when they are not writing their feedback, it's very easy for them to tell their share their uh, feedback with the help of images and ratings and sometimes star points like that. So every time the person cannot see those feedback manually, so there comes the social learning, emotional learning from particular product, and how the customer feels about the product after purchasing it and after using it. What are the feedback they are given? So everybody cannot need not be typing it in a paragraph. So the customer also not do that. So easy way to get the feedback is some star, some points or star number of star ratings like that they can take, and those points are immediately taken by the model, AI models, and immediately it is analyzing and it is giving suggestions to uh, uh, the e-com website monitoring persons. So in this way, there is a separate concept called emotional learning concept in AI. So that is very particularly used in feedback. So when you give the feedback in product when you purchase, it immediately gives the suggestions to the e-com monitoring person, and they reply, or automatic reply is also available for time being satisfaction of the customers. So these things are really added points for the customers, that they are comfortably purchasing the product, and they can also predict where the product can be purchased or not. So many points are there to discuss about the customer service and emotional learning from the customers. So it is not uh, it's a very big and important point. The people are paying their amount for purchasing the product, and if they are not satisfying, they really have the stress over that. So AI plays the role there in the customer service, and some personalized recommendations are also there, automatically comes. So when you buy the laptop, it the e-com website automatically shows you to buy mouse and some screen guards, and um, some covers for the laptop or something, it is coming. So when you watch the movie, you'll be getting the suggestions in your login when the similar kind of movies that you can watch. So you have mm, connectivity with the fans of particular movie, and if the person is watching the movie, the same suggestions can be given to you. So you have some network over that with the within the fans, without without direct connections with the fans. So connecting the similar kind of fans, connecting the movie that you are watching, the product that you are buying, and similar products will be appearing. So though there are some concepts for each and every thing that I am explaining. So there is a concept for feedback from the customers, and there are technology which takes this feedback very perfectly in AI. In the financial analysis, most of the cases the AI is used, and still there are yeah, some part that AI need to be utilized for the improvement in the financial analysis. Automated manufacturing. So as I told, that industrial sector, they are a technical person, and they deal with the manufacturing part very easily. They can adopt the technology. Investment is there, and initial investment, if there is done immediately, there will be increasing in the production. So in all these cases of manufacturing, one is the technology that it is making the AI to completing it. For example, sensors we have, the technology develops parallelly. Earlier the sensor was very big, and now it is nano level sensors, and the accessoring circuits related to the sensor was separately connected earlier. Now it is inbuilt along with the sensor. So the advancement in the VLSI technology, advancement in the sensor, advancement in the microcontrollers, ARM processors, and other processors. So there, the miniaturization is happening. Along with that, with the parallel development of the technology, AI connected to this hardware. So the automated the manufacturing unit. in the industries are automated, and there are the challenge is that whether the AI will replace the human, and the employment will be affected. So that is a very big question here. So the challenge is that really AI, learning of the AI, and uh, updating with ourselves within this AI will be the solution, and we can be still there will be the job opportunities for AI developers and utilizers still. So there is no doubt that AI will be replacing the human in all the aspects. Still, there are many places where AI human intervention is required. So need not worry about the AI. It is our important point that we have to discuss, think is that we have to be updated with the AI. That is the mandatory point as of now. Even any professionals have to be updated with the AI. In the transportation, it's coming up with a autonomous vehicle. The challenge is that when we go with autonomous vehicle, the road conditions and uh, the platform for utilizing this autonomous vehicle, uh, some cases we have uh, the, the infrastructure that should be mapped with the autonomous vehicle. So the route optimization, public transportation management, all are the parameters in the transportation. However, when we think about AI will be involved in autonomous vehicle, but the infrastructure in the developing countries and underdeveloped countries will not be suitable for the autonomous vehicle because of the poor road condition. Every time it has to be directing it, and other challenges are there. So the development of the infrastructure and the implementation of autonomous vehicle may be matching with the proper conditions. So one challenge is that infrastructure and the platform that the autonomous vehicle moves. Another one is uh, the usage of this autonomous vehicle and necessity of the autonomous vehicle in the roads. So these things has to be discussed when the autonomous vehicles are implemented. And the economical growth and other facilities that has to be thought when the autonomous vehicles are implemented. So that we are not going to discuss here. The point is that how the autonomous vehicle uh, uh, excels in its own with the help of AI. So that point we can think means it's really the wonderful uh, part that AI is enabling the development of autonomous vehicle, revolutionizing the personal and public transportation. It requires a lot of datas, and technology and sensors, networking. Everything is there within the autonomous vehicle. So uh, in any applications we take, there will be the computer vision, which connects for the decision making, immediate decision making, and the route optimization uh, connected to the source and the destination. There was really the Google Map serves us a lot. So in the early stages, still it was developed from source to destination with the conventional route that it was. And nowadays, it also discuss about the points where if there is any construction maintenance work happening in the conventional route, there will be the red mark into the path, or it takes the shortest route. If there is a heavy traffic, it takes another route, or it indicates that the traffic is occurring here. Some additional information is also given in the map. So these are all uh, the informations, added informations with the help of AI. the route optimization, and the public transportation management is uh, it is website based, or it is still program based, existing in the developing countries. So the public transportation management can be in a proper way to uh, get the information about how the transportations are running, if there is any challenge in the current position situation, and immediately it is informed to the monitoring, and the solution is provided, has to be provided. So in that way only it is going to be modified still. However, the online and internet based operations are appreciable. Still there can be improvement in AI based transport management system. Ethical consideration of AI. So it is crucial to address and mitigate the biases in AI algorithms to ensure the fair and just outcomes. So when we uh, when we apply some, or when we seek the AI based platform to get some output, there is a lack of confidence that whether that the output is correct or not. So we can check many mathematical questions also in ChatGPT or other search engines, platform that we are trying to find out the solution. Any platform where we can test with the complex problem that with the answer that we know. You can find that there are some small gaps between the expected and existing outcome of the search engines and other things. So there should be AI algorithms to ensure the fair and uh, accurate outputs. So the transparency should be there. Decision making process to build trust and accountability. There should be the transparency, prioritizing the transparency. But in the user side, it is not mandatory. In the implementation side, it is important. From the user side, the basic things and the internal structures are not mandatory. So there should be some decision making process, clarity over that in utilizing it and selecting it. And the AI technologies must uphold stringent privacy standards to safeguard individual and confidential data. So obviously, this is a very big challenge in all the technologies like IoT and AI. So the cyber security, one is privacy and security. Both are the challenges in technology that the proper um, codes and other implementation, that this can be solved, but still it is a challenge for the technology person. So here I would like to share one problem statement. One is as I told in the um, initial stage, the community who are working manual with 100 percentage of manual operation, where the metal crafting work and uh, workers used in the handicraft and other part, how they deal with AI, and how can they be connected with AI. So that is one question. And uh, there are some uh, facility provided for the community. They are utilizing the facility indirectly, and only the output they are utilizing, endpoint they are utilizing. Internally all other things are facilitated by the service providers. So in that way we can think about one problem. So safe drinking water is a problem, and water availability is a problem, then safe drinking water is a problem. And how to solve this problem in the developing countries and the developed countries, as well as where the scarcity of the water is the very big challenge. So this problem statement is given here. So we have to find out research. We have to research on availability of water, bringing to the point where the water can be fetched by the community. So that research point, the research is a very big thing. So assume that water is brought to the community and how it is going to be monitored properly, and how the individuals are getting required water. So as per the availability of the water, it should be shared to all the people, and the safety drinking of water is ensured. This is the challenge. This is the problem statement kept here. So there can be the government or the organizations that providing the water to all the individuals. So how they can be providing it? So if there is a kiosk available, water kiosk available, there the supply of the water can be done, and the supervisor can be done, or the supervisors can be replaced with AI. And the payment based or minimal payment cost water, or allotted water based on their citizenship, anything can be done. And monitoring of utilization of water, collecting of the amount they have given for the fetching of the water. And the role of the supervisor, manually present there for monitoring, and monitoring of the supervisor again, and consumption of water in particular of the kiosk in particular area, and the number of kiosks connected to that particular village. So all this can be done with the technology. So this comes into the picture that it is existing, it is manually done, and how this can be converted to technology. So this is the point where we connect the role of the AI in driving innovation. So that is the conclusion that I want to give. So the problem statement is ensuring the safety drinking water, availability of the water to all the individuals, and maintenance of the water monitoring should be ensured. So these 3 points are the problem statement occurring. So how can AI can drive this? So here we can have connecting of all the water kiosk, monitoring of the individual water kiosk, and monitoring of all the water kiosk by the central monitoring station. And whenever the water is completed, or the tank is empty, dried in that particular kiosk, it has to be filled immediately. So all this monitoring can be done with the help of IoT and AI. So AI with the combination of IoT with the combination of AML can be solving this problem. So this project is taken as the challenge by my team, and a prototype is developed with this, where the monitoring of individual kiosk, monitoring of the supervisors, then their attendance, number of liters consumed by the individual, consumed by one people related to one kiosk, and the consumption of the water of all the consumption of the people related to all the kiosk, totally overall consumption of that particular village people. So all these things are brought into one picture. And so it was easy to monitor now with all the kiosks, and the prototype is done. Still the implementation part is going to be done. So this is one example that AI can be driving the innovation. It can be uh, making the work easy. It can be making the work comfortability, with the comfortability, and data visualization analysis within the short period of time. So I conclude that uh, analysis of the problem statement where the AI can be utilized, and different subfields in the AI, and to select those methods so that the AI can be solving it, and development of the community with the help of this AI can be definitely done. Um, so if there is any questions, can ask. And I'll also like to share the video, and I'm trying to share it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh, with that,
thanks.
I
Thank
conclude.
you. Thank you, sir. It was very nice presentation. Just one question. So, the dispenser which you just now showed, the kiosk. So,
Yeah.
you actually done that project?
Yes, yes, yes. I did with the team of 5 members.
Okay.
So we analyzed one NGO based kiosk maintenance here, and they did not tell the problem statement. They don't know that they have the problem. When
Okay.
we observe how they are maintaining it, we observe that the supervisor may be late coming, and people may be missing the water, or
Mm-hmm.
water may not be available and the people may be missing the water, and
Mm-hmm.
the purity is not ensured. So all
Purity.
these things we analyzed, and by going to that kiosk,
Okay. I
and
think
we have developed the prototype. It is not implemented. We have developed the prototype and it is patent file.
so. The prototype is for
For
what is the
connecting to the NGO, if they want, they can implement in their kiosk, and there are 8 kiosks available in my city. All those 8 kiosks can be
Mhm.
connected, and there is reducing of the manual intervention there. So that is what we are planning to meet the NGO now. And in this case, like this, we can have many analysis with. This is done with AIT, IoT, and we can make it with the AML to improve the facility there.
Okay. Okay. Actually, yes. Actually, it was a simple issue, but then implementing the AI
Yes.
or IoT is actually going to help to resolve these issues. So I think we can see from this that AI or IoT is going to be part of further development where small issues which we are facing at the moment can be resolved, right? So I can see a lot of examples which you have mentioned. They were the small part of the issues which we are facing. So thank you sir for accepting our invite, and having this session where you have actually gave different examples of how we can actually utilize the AI or utilize the IoT in driving different innovations. So thank you for delivering this session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting.
Thank- Thanks. Thank you.